In a city witnessing rapid urbanization, disruptions to natural systems have resulted in frequent flooding, increasing temperatures, pollution, waste accumulation, and loss of vital open spaces. The 5.6-kilometer forest corridor was once a natural water channel, later, a wasteland on a concrete city drain, a dumping ground for construction debris with encroachments, waterlogging, and lack of vegetation, rendering it unusable and inaccessible for its diverse neighborhood of apartment complexes, urban villages, schools, colleges, and industry. Today, it is a showcase for climate resilience through simple, intuitive, and replicable practices for inclusive open spaces, circular reuse of waste, nature-based stormwater management, reforestation of native species, and habitat restoration. The transformative project was led by a citizens group for the government with corporate funding and designed by landscape architects. This collaborative approach enabled creativity, adaptation, and innovation towards a comprehensive site-specific city landscape with extensive capacity building on-site and off. The safe, accessible, motor-free mobility corridor connects the old city to the new through central walking and cycling paths built on the drain. Crossroads provide multiple points of access to 8 distinct stretches.
से चल रही हूँ। पहले कीचड़ रहता था, अब बहुत बढ़िया हो गया है। अब इधर से बहुत लोग जाते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा हो गया है। साइकिल वगैरह भी जाता है, रोज जाते हैं हर रोज।
Demonstrating resource consciousness, 95% of all materials used for construction were of waste, repurposed to create levels in basework for site features and a wide range of design interventions. This reduced new material production and waste diverted to landfills.
बिल्कुल यहाँ खड़े नहीं हो सकते थे, बदबू आती थी। तो उसी कचरे में कुछ चीज़ें उठाई, जैसे मलबे का उठा के, जैसे नॉन वेस्ट वाला, इससे हमने पूरा बनाना शुरू कर दिया।
A sponge site with a network of interconnected recharge areas, it captures, retains, absorbs, and recharges all rainwater, as well as runoff and excess water from other parts of the city during flash floods. Extensive plantation on the once barren site with over 34,000 native species has seen a rapid restoration of its ecological balance, with improved soil quality and stability, increased shade cover, reduction in pollution and environmental degradation, and revival of its biodiversity habitat. A consistent design vocabulary is followed, with an exploration of materials and movement responding to the immediate context and users. Jogging trails, seating islands, entrance courts, play areas, and even a 1,200-seater amphitheater provide a range of unique spatial experiences.
और काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है यहाँ घूम करके, थोड़ा सा माइंड भी हल्का हो जाता है। मतलब शोरगुल उतना नहीं है, ना कोई परेशानी है, प्रदूषण का भी प्रदूषण भी उतना नहीं है यहाँ पे। इस वजह से हम यहाँ पे घूमने टहलने के लिए मैम आते हैं।
A flourishing community resource for its multi-generational residents, visitors, and commuters, this project highlights the immense potential for landscape revitalization and resilience through a collaborative, nature-based approach.